Welcome to a new video. Today, let us discuss some question answers on the topic computer network. Define data communication and its components. Data communication can be defined as the exchange of data between two or more computers. Here we share information when we communicate. The share can be two types, local and remote. Local communication normally occurs face to face, while remote communication occurs over distance. A data communication system has five components: sender, which is used to send the data message; receiver, the device that receives the data message, and message is the data or information to be communicated; transmission medium, it is the physical path by which the message or data travel from the sender to the receiver; and protocol is a set of rules that govern data communication, or we say that it is an agreement between the communication devices. Explain the data flow between the devices. Communication between two devices can be classified as simplex, half duplex, full duplex. In the simplex mode, unidirectional communication occurs, that is, only in one direction. Out of the two devices, only one can transmit at a time, and the other receives only. For example, a keyboard can only be used to enter the input, while a monitor can receive the output. In half duplex mode, both stations can transmit and receive, but not at the same time. When a device is sending while the other can only receive, and vice versa. This mode is used in cases where there is no need for data transfer in both directions at the same time. The entire channel capacity can be used only for one direction at a time. While in the case of full duplex mode, both stations can transmit and receive at the same time. The full duplex mode is used when communication in both directions is required at all times. The capacity of the channel must be divided between two directions. What do you mean by computer networks? A set of devices like a computer, printer, or any other device capable of sending and receiving the data connected through communication links is called computer networks. The links connecting the device are known as communication channel. What do you understand by node and link? A node is a point or joint where a connection takes place. It can be a computer or device that is a part of a network. Two or more nodes are required to form a network connection. A link is connectivity between two devices. It includes the type of cables and protocols used for one device to be able to communicate with the other. What are the layers of OSI model? OSI stands for Open System Interconnection, which is a 7-layer architecture that a computer system uses to communicate over a network. Each layer has specific functions to perform. All these layers work together to transmit the data from one system to another across the globe. First one, physical, which transmit individual bits from one node to another. Second one, data link, which starts and terminates a connection between two physically connected nodes on a network. Third, network, organizes and transmits data between multiple networks. Transport, complete and reliable delivery of data packets. Session, maintains connection and is responsible for controlling sessions. Presentation, it ensures that the data is in usable format and if data encryption occurs. And the last one is the application, which is the interface to the network services. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mail to us.